Let me show you how to design a poster in Photoshop. Create a new document. Set the width to 18 and the height to 24. Then click the Create button. Drag a background here. I've provided download links for all assets in the description. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a long rectangular shape. Right-click the shape and duplicate it. Drag the duplicated shape to the right. Hold Alt and drag the shape to create a third duplicate. Select all shapes and align them to the center. Change the color of all shapes to dark gray. Drag and drop a model image here. Right. Click on the image and create a clipping mask. Drag the second and third images. Create a clipping mask. Set the opacity of all images to 70%. Go to Image Adjustments and select Black and White. Apply this on other images. Drop the fourth model image here and align it to the center. Go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. And apply this settings on image. Select the Gradient tool with a dark gray color and drag it over the top of the model image. Create all your text. I've provided links to all fonts in the description. That's it! I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this.